Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? Yeah, very good. Are you doing your works at home? Are you writing it neatly? Where you are sitting now? Are you sitting on a chair? Where did you place your worksheet? Is it on a table? Yes, very good. Okay, and I hope you all are happy at home with your parents, isn't it? Yeah, very good. So today we are going to do the next set of words starting with W. Starting with W. So I want you all to take the page number 31, 32. Page number 31, 32. And get ready, and now we'll start. Okay, shall we do? Are you ready? Yes. So page number 31, 32. Now this is the first set of words. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words starting with W. First we have 3 with capital W and we have 3 with small letter W. So read the first word starting with W. W-H-Y. What is that? Y. Yes, very good. What is the first word? We start. Okay, ready? W. I hope you all know to write W, isn't it? W. H. Y. What is the word called? Y. W. H. Y. Y. Start from the second line, go up, touch the first, come down, touch the third, again go up, touch, come down, again go up, touch, and you have your H and your Y. What is a word? Y. It is a question word. Words starting with WH are called question words, isn't it? What is the specialty of a question word? The question word starts with WH and ends with a question mark. Ends with a question mark. Okay, now Y is over. What is the next word? W-H-E-N. When. W-H-E-N. When. Once more. W-H-E-N. When. When are you coming to school? When? What time? When did you get up today? So when. W-H-E-N. When. Next word. W-H-E-R-E. What is that? Say louder. Yes, where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. W-H-E-R-E. Where? Where did you go? Where? Again a question word. W-H-E-R-E. Where? Now we'll go to the next set of words starting with small letter W. W-H-O-S-E. W-H-O-S-E. What is that? Whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. Whose pencil is this? Whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. It's also a question word, ends with a question mark. Next word, W-A-N-T. What is that? Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Once more. W-A-N-T. Want. I want my pen back, or I want my pencil back. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Next word, you can see in your worksheet. What is the next word? W-A-T-E-R. Water. What is the spelling? W-A-T-E-R. Water. You know what is water. No need more explanation. W-A-T-E-R. Water. So we'll go through once more. W-H-Y-Y. Repeat after me. W-H-Y-Y. W-H-E-N. When. W-H-E-R-E. Where. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. W-A-N-T. Want. And the last word, W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay, you write these words both sides. Study by heart those spellings slowly. Now shall we see few sentences with these words so that you will be more clear in these words. Okay, Miss will show you. Okay, this is the first sentence. Why did you tell lie? Mama's asking, why did you tell lie? W-H-Y, why? W-H-Y, why? Why did you eat my food? I hope you all know this cartoon character. Miss is not clear. I think it's Tom and Jerry, isn't it? Yeah, he's asking, Tom is asking, why did you eat my food? What is spelling of why? W-H-Y, why? See, it's a question word, so it's ending with a question mark. When will our Santa come? When will our Santa come? The mother and son both are waiting. When will our Santa come? Spelling of when. W-H-E-N, when. When are you coming to my house? The girl is asking. When are you coming to my house? W-H-E-N, when. See, it ends with a question mark. W-H-E-N, when. Where is my bag? The girl has lost her bag. She's asking, where is my bag? W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Where do you come from? The man is asking the lady. Lady, where do you come from? Here the spelling W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Next, whose pen is this? The teacher is asking, whose pen is this? Spelling of whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. One more example. Whose comb is this? The lady, maybe your mother, is asking, whose comb is this? Spelling of whose. W-H-O-S-E, W-H-O-S-E, whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. Next. Mama, I want some chocolates. See, the boy is calling his mother. Maybe his mother, maybe she's in office. Or she may have gone to school. The boy is asking, Mama, I want some chocolates. Want. Spelling of want, W-A-N-T, want. W-A-N-T, want. I want you to come with me. The girl is asking to her friend. She is telling her friend, I want you to come with me. Spelling of want. W-A-N-T, want. W-A-N-T, want. Next. Water is precious. Save it. You all know that, isn't it? Do you like to drink water? Yes, drink water so that you can remain healthy. Huh? Okay, so water is precious. Save it. Don't lose water. Save it. Spelling of water, W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Now the last word, I like to play in water, isn't it? See, a child like you swimming in water, maybe I think it's a beach. I like to play in water. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. I like to play in water. Okay children, so I hope all these words are thorough for you, and did you get the idea? We use WH, and usually WH words end with a question mark. So all are simple words, 3-letter, 4-letter words. So study those spellings correctly and learn it, by heart it, and write both sides of the worksheet and keep. Hope you liked my class. Yes. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.